Okay, hey everybody, this is Alex, and I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail here within Magi in the AI Genius Club. So what I want to do is I want to create an image out of a prompt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here. I'm going to select my model, so my AI model. Under capabilities, I will select text to image. One of the best image creators is GPT image. This is created by OpenAI or ChatGPT. So I'll click there. One of the best models is V2, so version 2. That's their current most updated model right now. I'll choose the quality high. And then the aspect ratio is going to be for a YouTube thumbnail. So that's going to be 16:9. I'm then going to enter in my prompt, which I've created this prompt in another window. So here's my prompt, and then I'm just going to click send. This is just going to take a few seconds or a few minutes to create. And once this is done, I will show you the result. Okay, so here it is. It generated me this YouTube thumbnail that I can then use on YouTube. I can edit it if I want to edit it up here. I can attach it or I can download it. I can even add it to my favorites. I'm going to download this. So I simply click download. It's going to download it up here as a PNG file. I can then go to my YouTube video. I can click upload file, find that file there, click open, and I've already attached that image to my YouTube video. So really, really awesome. The GPT image V2 generates really, really high quality thumbnails, and it's all available in the Great Discovery in the AI Genius Club. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know what you want me to do a tutorial on next in the AI Genius Club, and we'll see you later. Have a great day.